the GroundHog way.
Man, oh man, we've had so much fun this winter.
This winter has been sensational.
And it's not done yet. My sledding birthday party is in 2 days, and it's gonna be another winterific winter day. Hooray!
Hey, guys, might not be as much winter left as you think. Warm spring weather might come early this year.
If spring comes early, then it'll be warmer, and then all the snow will melt, and then we can't sled on my sledding birthday party, and then I'll be so sad.
Well, how do we know if spring's warm weather is coming early? Well, we're in luck, you guys, because it's Groundhog Day.
It's Groundhog Day? Today?
It's Groundhog Day! It's Groundhog Day! It's Groundhog Day!
Hooray!
Every year, on February 2nd, the groundhog comes out of its hole to let everyone know if spring's coming early.
The groundhog knows all. Whoa.
Sweet! When does Groundhog Day start? Right now! Over in the woods!
Then it's time to find out if spring will come early. Onward and onward to Groundhog Day.
Oh, spring just can't come early this year. It can't.
Hey-oh! It's Groundhog Day! Oh, yeah! I'm honored to introduce the legend that makes this whole thing possible. The man of the hour, the talk of the town, the rodent of the moment. Here he is, the Groundhog! I said the Groundhog! Groundhog?
Nobody's home. Really? I'm not even here. Nobody's here right now. This is a recording.
Okay, Groundhog, I know you're in there. Come out, it's your day today! Hey, aren't you coming out?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm no good, that's why. Look, you gotta get someone else to do my job, please.
Okay, wait, hold on a sec.
No, I'm not good. My record doesn't lie. In the last 10 years, I've been right 5 times and wrong 5 times. I'm getting a stomachache just thinking about it. Sorry.
What about knowing if spring will come early?
Spring just can't come early. If it does, then it'll be warmer, and then all the snow will melt, and then we can't sled at my sledding birthday party, and then I'll be so sad.
What are we gonna do? When's spring coming? Now we'll never know.
Friends and neighbors, I, Nature Cat, am here to save the day. I will predict whether spring will be early this year or winter hangs on.
Okay, Nature Cat, so what's your prediction?
Why, MC Ferret, that is an excellent question that I will gladly answer later today.
Can I have your attention, please?
Ronald.
I'm going to give my own weather prediction later, too. And it's going to be the correct weather prediction.
Oh, we'll see about that, Ronald.
Oh, yeah. We sure will see about that, Nature Cat.
You heard it here, folks. Come back later to hear Nature Cat and Ronald's prediction. Who will be right?
What did I get myself into? I like saving the day and all, but I don't know how to predict the arrival of spring like the groundhog. What was I thinking?
You just need to stop thinking, let things happen, and be the groundhog.
Be the groundhog. How?
Simple, my friend. It's all about the shadows.
Shadows?
Yup. When the groundhog sees his shadow, it means 6 more weeks of winter. If he doesn't see his shadow, it's an early spring.
See my shadow, huh? Ha ha ha! Easy as pie. I can do that. Okay, I see my shadow. Ha ha! more winter to come. Well, I gotta tell you, that was easy. Oh, wait, no, sorry. No shadow. My bad. Early spring it is. No, hold on. New development. Now there is a shadow, and immediately no shadow. Wow, okay, so shadow, no shadow, shadow, no shadow. Ah, what is going on here?
Oh, it's the clouds. They're making your shadow appear and disappear.
Hey, am I the only one that is like super confused right now?
Right? No wonder the groundhog wasn't very successful at predicting. Ronald.
Well, hello, Nature Cat. Shadow problems?
Yes, I mean, no, maybe.
Shadows are no way to predict spring's arrival.
And what, pray tell, makes you so qualified?
My great-great-great-great-grandfather wrote the book on predicting seasons and weather.
Pshaw, that's just an expression.
If on Sunday rain there be, expect the week more rain to see. Boom! Take that!
Oh, come on, Ronald. Just because it rains on Sunday doesn't mean it's going to rain the whole week. I'm not buying what you're selling.
Or this one. When grass is eaten by a dog, there will be a lot of fog. Boom! Shakalaka!
I don't know how a dog eating grass has anything to do with weather. Those are just old myths.
And they're kind of ridiculous.
We'll see who's kind of ridiculous when I win. Ridiculous.
Ronald's actually right. Shadows are no way to predict the weather.
What am I gonna do now? I can't let the neighborhood animals down.
Oh, I know. Last year, my dad and I looked for signs of spring, and we found lots in nature that told us spring was coming.
Yes, yes, yes! Nature always has the answer. Let the nature hunt for spring clues begin. Tally ho!